Alright guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer. We're trying to grow the Instagram also. So please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Pew.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. And today we're here with the dancehall helicopter Aidonia, the lyrics machine. Diddy. Yeah, one voice, the done voice. Lord Evil. All if I name him up. Aidonia can do. See? The one I just dropped. I'm going to jump in the one on here with the G officer. Hey, let's go.
See them attack, say them body in the dog, away fuck. And nobody in the dog, body in the man, body in the dog, away fuck.
I say boss I roll.
Big yard,
crash down, big up, shake
away
creative.
fuck. Punish town, away fuck. Jungle is, away fuck.
Hold on the dog. You see the boss roll out? Presidential style, brother. Look at what suburban the boss I roll with.
See them attack, say them body in the dog, away fuck.
Away fuck.
And nobody in the dog, body in the man, body in the dog, away fuck. Big yard, away fuck. Punish town,
like a bad man sang this. Aggressively. Aggressive.
Way fuck you and your friend then can do. They in your place with one piece of long broom. Bad man, mad move, rifle, boss and it sound like pull up, like me like yo, pull up. Let's go.
Woo! Binds Way fuck.
Them attack, say them body in the dog.
Way fuck.
And nobody in the dog.
Away fuck.
Body in the man, body in the dog. Away fuck.
Idiot.
Big yard. Away fuck. Punish town. Way fuck.
Pass road like a presidential click, brother.
Away fuck. Way fuck you and your friend then can do. They in your place with one piece of long broom. Bad man, mad move, rifle, boss and it sound like boom, like me light a bomb fuse.
I saw the rifle boss, you know. Boom! Like him light a bomb fuse, like it's a bomb a go off. Binds did it.
Bad man, mad move, rifle, boss and it sound like boom, like me light a bomb fuse. Pussy and no mouth talk man use. You can't start World War III with one shoes. Gun there.
You can't start World War III with one shoes, yo. What him say shoes and a Nike or Adidas him attack? No, man. Binds that the man attack.
Pussy and no mouth talk man use. You can't start World War III with one shoes. Gun there enough, you can choose, me confused. 15 beat, click and boom, click and boom.
Bombo clap.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
What on?
Let's go!
How wake up Diddy? How wake up Diddy? Cause we see Diddy take a break from the music. Which was right, cause you don't know. R.I.P. to him young king we pass on. So the G just take a time out. But you look at the G ready and now. Him ready and now.
See them attack, say them
The
body
G
in the
ready
dog.
and now. Away
And
fuck
nobody in
and
the
one.
dog, body in the man, body in the dog.
Away fuck.
Big yard, away fuck. Punish town, way fuck. Jungle is, way fuck. Away fuck. Way fuck you and your friend then can do. They in your place with one piece of long broom. Bad man, mad move, rifle, boss and it sound like boom, like me light a bomb fuse. Pussy and no mouth talk man use. You can't start World War III with one shoes. Gun there enough, you can choose, me confused. 15 beat, click and boom, click and boom. Them bomb buckler dead from me hand move. Hope me your face, make your mama get the bad news. We no hide in a hole and a mongoose. Shut up, Akimani, you no dangle, shower man.
Shut up, keep on in the dangle. We don't hide in a hole like mango. Yo, the man a chop some blood clotting. Binds
Boom! Them bomb buckler dead from me hand move. Hope me your face, make your mama get the bad news. We no hide in a hole and a mongoose. Shut up, Akimani, you no dangle. Shower man, spanglers, no giant fandangles. Chiga press from me pan grip the handle. Fire pan the nozzle and no fire pan no candle. Fire hand a kick a look and a musty kung fu.
Bumbo clap. Binds
The bad news, we no hide in a hole and a mongoose. Shut up, Akimani, you fu. Why fuck you and your friend then can do?
Yo, first verse solid. Run up. Blood clot again.
Pull up. Let it go.
First verse solid.
My talk said them bad in the dog. Why fuck? And nobody in the dog. Bad in the man. Mad in the dog.
Yo, what the fuck, Jenna people? They representing our bumbleclad comment section. Why representing our comment section? Why fuck? Drop a comment. Why fuck? Subscribe to your channel. Why fuck?
Dog, why fuck?
Eh?
And nobody in the dog.
Why fuck? Ask them Aidonia. Why fuck?
Why fuck? Big yard.
Feel bad, you know. They feel bad, you know. Fuck around and find out.
Junglist. Why fuck? Why fuck? Fight. Why fuck you and your friend them can do? They in your place with one piece of long bro. Bad man, mad move, rifle, bust and it sound like boom, like me light a bomb fuse. Pussy and no mouth talk man use. You can't start World War III with one shoes. Gun they enough, you can choose, me confuse. 15 beat, click and boom, click and boom. Them bumbleclad dead from me hand move. Hope me your face, make your mama get it bad news. We no hide in a hole and a mongoose. Shut up, Akimani, you no dangle. Shower man, spanglers, no giant fandangles. Chiga press from me pan grip the handle. Fire pan the nozzle and no fire pan a candle. Fire hand a kick a look and a musty kung fu. Why fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck.
Away fuck.
Away fuck you and your friend then can do.
Away fuck.
Gun pa me belly. Why fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Gun pa me. Away fuck you and your friend then can do. Away fuck. Gun pa me belly. Why fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Gun pa me belly. Where the fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Why? Long rifle man rise and a matic. Over the same on a point and a knock it.
Long rifle man rise and a matic, brother, and a little handgun we are use. No, brother. Rifle. Over there so we are point it and a knock it. Binds.
Stick a look and a musty kung fu. Why fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck.
Away fuck.
Away fuck you and your friend then can do. Away fuck. Gun pa me belly. Why fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Gun pa me belly. Where the fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Why? Long rifle man rise and a matic. Over the same on a point and a knock it. Chica your face squeeze but try if you no grab it. Chew your
Trigger your fist squeeze, but try not to grab it. Yes, squeeze it, but don't grab it.
Away fuck. Why? Long rifle man rise and a matic. Over the same on a point and a knock it. Trigger your fist squeeze, but try if you no grab it. Chew your eye that a fly, chew it socket. Skin burn up and must see life or you shock it. Inna your face, put dollar coin on a pocket. Inna your casket.
Inna your face, put dollar coin and a pocket. Inna your face, put dollar coin and a... Yo, your skin burn up like a Koran, shock it.
Pick your face squeeze, but try if you no grab it. Chew your eye that a fly, chew it socket. Skin burn up and must see life or you shock it. Inna your face, put dollar coin on a pocket. Inna your casket, inna your nice little jacket. Then a life in a tragic, get a price, we attack it. So, why fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Hey, away fuck you and your friend then can do. Away fuck. Gun pa me belly, why fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Gun pa me belly, where the fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Them that's a pretend it, tough talk, defend it. Pan the bite me yang it, bullet me ya send it.
Bumbleclad, you're the floor. You're the floor. You're the floor. Binds.
Away fuck. Hey, away fuck you and your friend then can do. Away fuck. Gun pa me belly, where fuck you and your friend then can do. Away fuck. Gun pa me belly, where the fuck you and your friend then can do. Away fuck. Them just a pretend it, tough talk, defend it. Pan the bite me yang it, bullet me ya send it.
Them just a pretend it, tough talk, fan about me yang it, bullet me just a send it. Yo, you're the man flow down.
Away fuck. Gun pa me belly, where the fuck you and your friend then can do. Away fuck. Them just a pretend it, tough talk, defend it. Pan the bite me yang it, bullet me ya send it. Bullet me ya send it, squeeze it, trigger till me bend it. 40 me ya bust, big belly, parabel it.
40 me a bust big belly pyramid. Yo!
Bullet me a send it, squeeze it, trigger till me bend it. 40 me a bust big belly, parabelly. Grave me a send you can't help your paramedic. Pull up and me say taka give any one of them it. Rifle him a fire and no shotty and no pellet. Each one of them, but in a any territory. So away, why fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Hey, away fuck you and your friend then can do. Away fuck. Gun pa me belly, why fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck. Gun pa me belly, where the fuck you and your friend then can do? Away fuck.
Lord. Diddy! Where you going? What the fuck then can do? Eh? What you say? There again? Eh? We get some more regular Diddy, you know? Cause you drop album with you know? I know, bad single list now, you know? We get some more regular Diddy. We get the from say, give me some 2008, 2009, 2010, 2015 Diddy. Then Diddy they want right now. Away fuck, lyrics are pit. Lyrics are pit like when Frag of Kokobe. Away fuck. Big up the production team. Ever have to go on the credit. Big up on yourself. Video personnel. Big up on yourself. Video well put together. Away fuck you and your friend them can do. Lyrics are pit out. Lyrics are pit out. Lyrics are pit out like y'all we are breed. Away fuck. How I go on? Alien breed man. Yeah man. Yeah, man, some are hot now, dog. Some are hot now, for the blood clot. Yo, hear me I say, look more.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.